Hey guys, this is me Arjun and today we are going to discuss about the criticism file or criticism notebook. And this file is generally used by the teachers to criticize you whatever you taught in the class to the students. And let's say the lesson plan number 1, whatever the teacher are criticize you whenever you taught in the class to the students. Let's see the lesson plan number 1. In the lesson plan number 1, in the left side there is date, and in the middle section there is subject, topic, school name, and in the right side there is class, period, section and duration. And in the date you have to write date on which date you taught in the class, and in the subject you have to write economics, whatever your subject is, and the topic is budget and school name is BIEM as per this lesson plan. And the class is 9th and period is 2nd in section A and duration is 45 minutes. And some criticism noted down by the teachers. Let's see. The first criticism is blackboard entries are not proper, TLM not used, class not disciplined, introductory questions asked, homework given. These are some criticism given by the teachers. Whatever you taught in the class, whatever you mistaken in the class, these are some criticisms, and how good you practice in the class. And let's see the lesson plan number 10, how good you prepare the class. And in the lesson plan number 10, for the same there is date, subject, topic, school name, class, section, period, duration. And the subject is economics, topic is poverty, school name is BIEM, and class is 9th, section is B1, and period is 3rd, and duration is 45 minutes. And some criticisms are noted down by the teachers are blackboard entries were good, explanation was as per the planning, teacher students interaction was good, pupil teacher confident, reinforcements given, pointer used and TLM used, where TLM is teaching learning material and reinforcements are the positive reinforcements given to the students like very good, good, excellence for their response of the questions you asked to them, and pointer is the teaching material used by you to explain the blackboard summary to the students. For today, this much. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe, and please press the bell icon for the next updates. Have a nice day.